Welcome guys once again. So we have seen two listener as of now. One is ITestListener and ITestResult. Okay. Now two more listener we'll see and we'll finish it out. Listener concept. We'll see IInvokedMethodListener. Okay. IInvokedMethodListener. Okay. So what it is and how it will be. Okay. So I'll just go directly practical. So we have seen as of now listener 1. So now we'll implement listener 2, which is I test, you know, I invoked method listener. Simple. So I'll just create a method called listener 2. That's all. Okay. So I created this simple class. So again, I invoked method listener is what? Is nothing but interface. Okay, so all the listeners are interface, so I need to implement it. So I'll just implements. So I have tried the method that interface name. So I invoked just control space, all the methods will come. So I invoked method listener and listener two are there. I'll go for method listener. Everything will be same, okay, at the end of the day. So just you have to see what are the different abstract method that particular interface is having. That's all, and you have to just override and just write your logic what you want once test case is getting executed, what you want if test case is getting fail, pass, or whatever. So again I'll go mouse over, add unimplemented method. So these two methods are there before invocation and after invocation, and these two parameterize methods interface will by default will come. So one is I invoked method and I test result. Again see, I test result came here, right? So functionality will remain same. Okay, so again I'll write some SOP statement. Okay, so here I'll write after method invocation. Okay, so after method invocation. Okay, what I want is that particular method name. Okay, so again I can go for, I want method name as well as test name, test result status. Okay, whether it is pass or fail. Okay, so I'll go for first, I'll just take first result. Okay, so I'll go for test result dot get test class. Get test class. So multiple classes will be there. Inside classes multiple method will be there. So inside that class I want name. So get name, get test name also, or get name we can go. So get name. So it will give my test result, particular test, when whatever test case will pass, it will give that particular name. Okay, before invocation. Okay, so this is again you can use as per your requirement. Okay, if you are learning one or two listener, that is more than enough, but these are the multiple type of listener, so as per your requirement again you can use. Okay, so similarly you can go for I'll just write again another thing. So plus I'll be writing some different method also. So I'll write, okay, not like this. So just for your learning purpose, so you can have one more track here for the capturing the logs. So I can capture them by using method also. Okay, so method, so whatever way you want you can capture. So method dot get test method, dot get method name or get name, right? So you can capture this thing by using this. So this is one for before invocation, and same I'll go for after execution. This is for before execution, it will be same. Perfect. So that's all. I have implemented one more listener, which is I invoked method listener. Okay, now how to use it? So it will be similar. So suppose I want to use this inside my this test. Okay, so I'll just write listener, and I need to call by this package name. So listener demo dot listener 2 I need to call. So I'll just go here and I'll call listener 2. That's all. I need to just execute it. Okay, I just need to execute it, that's all. So it will be executed and I can capture the method invocation. So this is very simple, pretty simple, okay, about listener. So it will be keep listening to your test result or test execution, and it will capture, okay, as per your result status, like whether it is pass, fail or skip, and whenever it is action will be done, it will be captured in the logs. So this is very simple. So execution is started. So make sure you are practicing these things. It looks very simple, but if you'll go and implement, you might get few challenges, but it's very simple. Yes, so just go to console and we'll see how we have captured. Perfect. Method before method invocation, test one, test one. So I'm able to capture. So you can use either of the things which we have used. So first you see here, so I'm able to capture before invocation of particular method and after invocation of that particular method. Okay, same thing we had captured by using ITest listener also. So you can use either of any listener, it's not required you have to use everything. Okay, if you want everything you can use it, no problem. Okay, so this is just another kind of listener. So here if you'll see, I'm capturing by using method also and by using result also. That's why in report, if you'll see the report, I was getting two times entry, right? In console I was getting two times entry. See, test one, test one. So by using this I can get the name of the test. Simple it is. That's all about I invoked method listener. Okay, so since here I am using again by using at that listener, so how I can generalize? Okay, so simple, you have to call in TestNg .xml file. Here I can call again the same, so I can just copy. Okay, and here just I can write this is 2. So now this 2 listener will be also applicable for throughout all the classes. That's all about, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.